Hey guys, I am working on a new blog post today about something that I talk about all the time on my channel. If you aren't quite ready for chords yet, how to play through the songs that you want to learn on just root notes. And so I'm going to show you a way to do that today. And we're going to do it using Eye of the Tiger. You can do it with any song, but if you want to follow along with me, just get Google pulled up and we're going to type in Eye of the Tiger chords, and you would do that with whatever song that you're using, whatever song you want. So just find the name of your song. So like if you wanted to learn Blinding Lights chords, and then I am just going to click on the first one, and I'm going to show you why this one's not going to work, but we're just going to go through with it anyway. So if you're trying to play along with your song, you want to look up here first at the top of the page, and this one uses a capo. So playing these chords down here, it would not sound right. It would be in a different key than the song if you played along with it. So today we're just going to use this as an example, and I can show you in a later video how to fix this to be able to play it with the original key if you don't have a capo. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take a look at these chords up here. And in my blog post, I have this version of the guitar neck. So we're going to compare this guitar neck with these over here, these chords over here, okay? So our first one is an E minor. So we're not playing the chords, we're only playing the notes. So we want to look for the lowest way that we can play that. And in this case, it's the low E string. So we'll just play that note anytime we see the E minor or an E minor 7, we're going to play low E. All right, let's go back. So for G, let's find the lowest version of that, and that is the 3rd fret of the low E string. All right. For A, lowest version of that and the closest. So we want to find the lowest and closest. So we could play it on the 5th fret, but that's not as close as the open A string. Okay, so we want to keep our fingers as close as we can. So we're going to play the A with the open A string. All right, there's E minor again. We'll just do the low E. So F, we'll find the lowest F is the 1st fret. All right, so F. And then let's do D minor. So D minor, the closest one. There's one on the 5th fret of the A string, but the closest one is just the open D. And then finally, C, 3rd fret of the A string. All right, and so all you have to do is just use this chart with the chords on your song and figure out where those notes are. So now that you have the notes and you know where they are, you might take a little time to memorize them. And then once you're ready to play along with the song, you need to listen to it if you're not as familiar with it, and then find a way to play the simple melody, the simple chords as you're going through. So with this one, I'm just going to play quarter notes. So. And quarter notes are a good place to start. Your song might change chords a little faster than that, so it will change from song to song. But I would start with quarter notes and then try to add harder rhythms a little bit later. All right, guys, that was a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it helps you learn the songs, even if you're not ready for chords. And once you are ready for chords and you're ready to start learning your chords, you can add the easier chords from this song in really slowly. And notice as I go over these on Ultimate Guitar, it shows you how to play the chords. And so you can check back here and just slowly add those in. But what this is doing is it's teaching you your way around the fretboard before you are playing chords and playing lead parts and things like that. So it's getting your brain used to where the notes are on the fretboard even before you play chords. And it's a great way to get kids started on guitar when their fingers are small and aren't ready for chords yet. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.